Now, what I want to talk about today is how high should you mow your lawn? And I get a lot of guys asking me that, and really it depends. It depends in the season and how fast the grass is growing. Now, if you're in the summer, you might want to cut the lawn a little bit higher than you normally would, because what that does is it provides a bit of shade and it helps cover the roots of the grass. So that way, if you get really like sunny, intense days, then it makes the grass a bit more durable and it's less likely to go brown on you. Now, if you're mowing lawns and let's say you're in midwinter, then you probably want to go a little bit lower because you don't want a whole lot of grass there because when the grass gets wet, it might stay wet all day. And if it stays wet all day, it could get diseases, it could get fungi, it could get a whole lot of horrible stuff. And you really want to try and keep your lawns in good condition. So, uh, yeah, when winter comes, I mow my lawns a little bit shorter. And another thing that you've really got to think about is is you don't want to scalp the lawns at any stage because scalping a lawn is a really bad idea. What it does is it can actually kill the crown of the grass, and so the grass can die off. Another thing that it can do is it can cause the spread of flat weeds, so you can get more weeds in your lawn if you're cutting it short. And uh, and you don't want weeds. So if you're cutting it high, what happens is the grass actually shades the weed seeds and they don't come up so much. And then you get less weeds and you get a nicer lawn. So basically, my suggestion is just cut the lawn as high as you can in the summer, get a great looking lawn, cut it just a little bit lower in the winter, and don't ever cut a lawn too low because though some customers ask for it, it's not exactly a great idea. So that's all I've got to say today. And just remember, if you'd like to learn how to build and grow a lawn mowing business, just click on the link below and you can join my free community where I have tons of stuff about how to grow your lawn mowing business and how to optimize the business and make more money by wood and waste. That's what we all want to do in it.